Good morning, guys. Just reported to work a few minutes back. So, guys, I want to show you something. When we make wigs, the remaining braids, we don't throw them away. We just keep them in case we want to use those braids. We can get them and use them back. So let me show you why we keep those braids. So let me show you, guys. We made this wig from those braids we've been keeping. So we didn't buy any braids for this wig. You see? Let me show you. Let me turn the camera. So guys, these are the braids we always keep, just in case we want to make something new. You see, we collect all the braids, we collect all of them. You see, we don't throw away the braids. So if we make a wig and some braids remain, we just keep them. Then after, we reuse them. So we mix these colors as you see them here to get this wig, you know. Yeah. So guys, we got this wig. You see the advantage of not throwing away the remaining braids. So guys, here's our wigs. God, we can mix colors. Look at this, guys. I love this color combination. So we got that wig from this, you know. So here in Uganda, we don't have those good colors of braids, but Kenyans and Nigerians have good colors of braids. So here, to get a good color combination of braids, you have to mix a lot of braids, a lot of colors, braid colors, to come up with one. Yeah. This one is from Kenya. It's so nice and soft. So my friend gave me this, but I will try to look for it here in Kampala. Let me keep. So it's time to work as usual, you know. As usual. Guys, sometimes I get tired, then I remember, so you have to work. So guys, let me start my work. Did I show you this? These are on this spray. They look so nice. Oh guys, look at this color. I love colors. And my customers Look at these wigs, guys. Oh, look at them. They look so. Ooh, look at this color. I love colors, guys. So let me walk my tripod on. So guys, here's my wig. How does it look? How does it look? It's like my back camera is not clean. Let me first clean it. So guys, this is the wig. This is how it looks. So let's take it. She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. From the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we